All right, I turned the bike around to check out the front brake system. It was very spongy, very soft. But I got a lot of air out of the lines. There's no more air in the lines, and now the front brake system is quite solid and feels good when engaged. The problem is this Suzuki or Yamaha, I think you said, front end is very, very tight, and there's a lot of drag on the wheel when I go to spin it. In other words, it doesn't spin, it turns. But everything about this bike is new, including the brakes and the pads and the calipers, I expect. And I don't know if this is normal or not, but you've got good brakes. It's just that the front wheel is very stiff. And I don't think I want to go into it, so I'm going to let you have the bike back. It starts, runs, idle, sounds good, revs, but since it is a complete rebuild, reconstruction from scratch, never having been ridden as a bike, I'm going to let you do that because I don't want to go out on it with a brand new bike never having been ridden, and I'd rather have you be the owner slash, hate to use the term guinea pig, but I'm going to call it done, call you up, let you know that you can come get the bike.